I'm awake, I'm gonna shower, and I'm gonna get on the road. Alright, so I'm showered, I'm dressed, I'm packed, I'm ready to go put on sneakers and bring everything to the car. Alright, so I don't know what that angle's like, but it is 10:30, I'm hitting the road, and the GPS only has about 20 minutes of footage recording time that's left in space, and then the camera will just turn off. But we got about an hour and 31 minutes according to the GPS. So I'm gonna put some music on, we're gonna rock out, and we're gonna see how that works, and if the camera falls, it falls. I feel like I should have set it up so you could see the road, not me. Lesson learned. I pulled over so that I could put the new memory card in, put the camera forward. I'm about 8 minutes away, and I thought it would be cool to do the view the other way.
Yesterday's favorites on White Rock 105, powered by Paul Murphy of O'Reilly Family Dealerships. Thanks for listening to WWRI Providence, continuous station, White Rock 105. School. I mean, Pete and I have corresponded for...
So, we made it. The camera battery died in the middle of filming, and what I thought was going to take me 8 minutes ended up taking me 30 minutes. I was supposed to get here at noon on the dot, and I started recording at 8 minutes of, and I got here at 12:22. We're gonna go to lunch. Walking around. Say hi. Hello. Goodwin Street. So my phone just died while I was trying to respond to that Snapchat you just sent me. When you get a response in a couple of hours, you'll know that I finally got up and got my phone charger to respond. So I just took a nap for 2 hours, and I'm gonna go ahead and see what other people are up to. we're gonna go to the pool. I actually put my bathing suit on, but then put this t-shirt back on over it because I forgot when to walk down to the pool. But then I forgot to explain. So we're in Newport, Rhode Island, which you can look up on a map. We're at a timeshare that we have had, I guess, since before my parents even had kids. So it's got like 2 rooms. It's like A and B, so you can rent out part of it or all of it. So I'll give you a tour a little bit later on. You can see the pool from our window. I'll show you the pool, but then I'm gonna leave the camera in the room so that I don't have to deal with it. So we have this little balcony, and then outdoor pool, indoor pool, and hopefully where we'll see the sunset a little later on. So we're down at the pool, and this is what the sun looks like right now, right over the water. And I'm gonna get in the water, and I might be too wet to get the actual sunset. So that's what you have for now. We're back from the pool. I've showered, and I actually put on my pajamas to go, pajamas and sweatshirt to go. We're gonna go to Ben & Jerry's for ice cream because it's 8:30 and dinner was at like 3, or lunch was at 3, and it was so good and so delicious that I wasn't hungry, and then we napped and then we swam. I'm gonna stand up so we can go. Look at that boat chugging along. So I'm in the elevator on the way up to the room. On the way back from getting ice cream, I stopped to pick up 2 movies for us to watch in the room. So I got Concussion and Zootopia, but I'm holding popcorn and a room key, so you can't quite see the DVDs.
It's just a predator.
We watched Zootopia, and it's about 12:20 now, and I'm gonna head to bed. That means edit the video first. The movie was so good. I highly recommend it. It was on my list to see, and if you should see it. Just go see it. I'm calling a wrap on day 33. The air conditioning vent is right here, and my bed's over there because it's super cold in here, even after we turned the heat up, and the light switch is here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the light so that I can get into bed and not have to get up again. Good night for me, good morning to you, and I hope that you have a great day.